Hey, this is Christy with Editor Creations and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a minute and go into Descript and get rid of those awfully annoying ums and uhs. This is the #1 thing I use Descript for. It's an awesome tool for that. So once you are logged in, you're just going to go to New Project, and I'm going to upload one of the videos I just did, and we'll grab this one here. And we'll just give it a minute to upload, and it's going to transcribe. You're going to say done, and then it's going to transcribe your video, and I'll see you back here in a minute. All right, so that is done uploading. It has transcribed our video, and we're going to go over here to the right where it has Underlord, which is all the options under the AI, and go under Sound Good where it says remove filler words. So that is what we want. And if you click here under all filler words, it automatically has them select, all of them selected, whether it's all the annoying filler words that we just don't want to have to hear on the replays. Select them all. And here you can also, if there's anything you want to change in the settings, you can do that. You can also choose to delete them all, delete and replace with a gap. You can also ignore or just remove it from the transcript. So you have some options there. But what it has done, if you go through and scroll through the transcript, it has those filler words highlighted. So as you can see, it's highlighted all the areas where I say and which tends to be a lot. So all you have to do is hit remove all, and just like that, they have been removed from your video and you're good to go. All right, so that's how easy it is. And it's easy, but it's so useful to have that tool. So once you are done, you can do any other edits that you like. You can publish it, and that's all there is to it. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. And also there is a link below if you want to give Descript a try. And be sure to like this video and subscribe if you found it helpful, and I'll see you next time.